My name is Riccardo and I'm mad about pizza. I'm from Vicenza, Italy. My parents made the pizza and my parents' parents made the pizza as well. So I know my pizza. In this masterclass, I'm going to show you some of my family's traditional and classical Italian pizza. So let's get on with it. So now we're gonna make the Neapolitan pizza. Okay, so let's stretch our dough ball. Ruby flour to keep the shape. Cover it. Then stretch. Rotate. Stretch. Take off the extra flour. Remove this one. Okay. Boom. Here it is. Spoon. 1, 2, 3 spoons. Okay. Spread it evenly this way. Then we're gonna use our mozzarella maxi. This mozzarella is a great product. It's Galbani, but it's melty easily on top of the pizza. And the taste is great. So now we're gonna put some capers on top. Some black olive. Some anchovies. And some oregano. So now we're gonna take it with the peel. And just then put it into the dough trail. Okay, adjust. And now we are going to the oven. Okay. Okay, here it is, our Neapolitan pizza. Enjoy, guys.